Hello students, this video which I'm going to prepare for you, this video is regarding the EOT, your end of term exam. Okay, so in this video, this is your question number 1, which is related to the conservation of charge or the concept of the charge. So in this we are going to learn few points, what exactly the atom is, what is the atomic number, what is your mass number, and how to find the number of charges and number of electrons. So guys, let's we start. Okay, now there is a question number 1. If we wanted to block of iron of mass 3.5, if we wanted a block of iron mass 3.25, okay, mass is given. So the first thing is we have the piece of iron. Let's say how to write it. We have piece of iron which is Fe. We have the atomic number 26. We have the atomic mass number, that is the 56. So this is your atomic number. So what is the meaning of atomic number? Atomic number means number of electrons equal number of protons. Okay, this is your mass number, which gives you Avogadro number, which is equals to 6.02 multiply 10 raised to power 23. Okay, atoms per mole. Okay, so if we wanted a block of iron, mass is given. So mass of iron, which is equals to 3.25 kg, 3.25 kg. Okay, to acquire, so what we are looking for, we are going to acquire a charge. Okay, fine. To acquire a positive charge, so how much charge we are looking for to acquire? Q is 0.100 coulomb. What fraction means we need to divide, fraction of electrons would we have to remove, means we need to solve it by dividing. So the first step, we need to find the number of positive charge. So we have a formula as per the quantization of charge. We have Q equals Ne. Easy to remember with this triangle. Q N E. Okay, Q is your charge, N is your number of electrons, E is the charge on electron, which is fixed, 1.6 times 10 power negative 19 coulomb, the unit. Okay, so Q equals Ne. What exactly we need to find? N. So can I say N is equals to Q over E? You can use the triangle also, from that you can find out. So what we have, 0.100 divided by, what is the charge? I already told you, 1.6 multiply 10 raised to power negative 19. So what is the number of electrons we have? Okay, just calculate this. So once we calculate, we get 6.24 multiply 10 raised to power 17. So you can say this is your equation number 1. Okay, now we need to solve in terms of iron. Okay, so in terms of iron, you need to understand few things. We have a mass number of 56, atomic number 26. Okay, and how much mass is given? 3.25 kg. First thing, what exactly you need to understand? Let's say this is the atom. What is this? Atom. Okay, in this atom there are the two things. We have 10 electrons. So can I say one atom we have 10 electrons? If I say we have a similar type of atoms, let's say 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I say we have 5 atoms, then can I say 5 multiply 10, we have 50 electrons. Yes or no? Is it clear? Okay, this is 50 electrons in 5 atoms. So what is our aim? We need to find first aim, to find number of atoms in iron. See, if we know the number of atoms, then we can find the number of electrons, and if we can find number of electrons, then we can find the ratio. Okay, to find the number of atoms in iron. So very easy, we know 56 gram, 56 gram. I told you the mass number is equals to Avogadro number. Mass number is equals to Avogadro number per mole. Okay, or atoms per mole. Atoms per mole. So just solve it. 56 gram gives you 6.02 multiply 23. Okay, atoms per mole. So 1 grams gives you how much? 6.02 multiply 10 raised to power 23 divided by 56 gram. 56 gram. Till here clear? Okay. Now what is the mass we have as per the question? Okay, we have 3.25 kg. So solve this. We have how much? 3.25 kg. Okay, so 3.25, just convert it into grams. So 3.25 convert in gram. So multiply 1000, which gives you 3250 gram. So 1 gram gives you this much value. 1 gram gives you this much value. So now what we need to find? 3250 gram. So 3250 gram equals, so what we get? 3250 multiply 6.02 multiply 10 raised to power 23 divide by 56. Yes guys, calculate it fast, put in your calculator and solve it. So guys, what we get? 3.50 multiply 10 raised to power 25 atoms. Remember this thing, what we get? Atoms. Okay, in case of iron, second point, let's say this is your second point. In iron, I already told you, in piece of iron, how many electrons we have? We have 26 electrons. So total electrons, okay, so we have n times number of atoms. So can I say 26 multiply number of atoms? 3.5 multiply 10 raised to power 25. So what is our answer? Yes guys, calculate it fast. So we will get 9.09 multiply 10 raised to power 26 electrons. Clear? So this is your equation number 2. So guys, now what we have find out? Just try to understand the question again. If we wanted a block of iron of mass 3.25 kg, okay, we have a piece of iron, fine. We need to acquire a positive charge. This is the charge. So what fraction, what he's talking about, what fraction of electrons we have to remove? So in the fraction means divide. So guys, now this is our final part. Okay, so fraction of electrons to remove. So fraction of electrons to remove. So just divide. So just to divide number of electrons divide by, or you can say equation 1 divided by equation 2. So what we have? Equation 1, number of electrons in that charge, 6.24 multiplied 10 raised to the power 17 divided by, what is the second value? We have this value, yes, second value 9.09 multiplied 10 raised to the power 26. So guys, solve it. So we will get 6.87 multiply 10 raised to the power negative 10. So what does it mean? This number of electrons we need to remove to acquire 0.1 coulomb of charge. How much charge we are acquiring? This much charge we are acquiring. Fine guys? Okay. Now second, that is the easy one. So just this is for your practice. So guys, just solve it. What is given? How many electrons? So what we need to find? How many electrons? So it means we need to find n. Does it take to make 1 coulomb? What is the unit? Coulomb. So what is this? Q. Q is 1.00 coulomb. So guys, what we need to find? N. As we already know, what is the triangle we have? Just tell me fast. Q equals NE. What we need to find? N. N is equals to Q divided by E. Okay, I already told you what is E. 1.06 multiply 1.6 multiply 10 raised to the power negative 19. To solve it, 1 charge is 1.00 divided by 1.6 multiply 10 raised to the power negative 19. Just solve it fast. N equals to, what is the value? Yes. Tell me fast. So we have 6.24 multiply 10 raised to the power 18 electrons. Clear guys? So this is your answer, option B. Fine? Okay.